Oh, I really thought I was gonna, shit. I don't have a lot of time to do like an intro to today's video because it's gonna rain in like the next hour. So I gotta get my packs in. This right here is the 533 Switchback Pro. I got a build video for this quadcopter on my channel. Today I wanna show you just how much faster it can make me. I'm not making that up. I got a race course out there. I was doing some laps yesterday, and I cannot believe how good this quadcopter flies, and I cannot believe how much faster I am flying it. Don't believe me? I'm Joshua Bardwell. You're gonna learn something today. Let's do this. It's gonna rain. We're using the Immersion RC Lap RF lap timer. I got a video about that, link in the video description. Let's go. Okay, props are on correctly. Let me show you the course real quick. I designed this course to make the most out of the few gates that I have. I have like 5 gates, and there's the start finish here, and to just force me to do the things I'm bad at. So a long straight here, going into this section of 3 gates, come around the flag, go through here, and then a spiral corkscrew, turn right. I have a real problem actually getting to full speed on the straights, so I'm giving myself long straights followed by like hair turns to force me to get up to speed and then slow down. Split S here, a little slow shimmy here. I don't really like that element because nobody actually does that in real races. Come around the flagpole and then a long straight, forcing me hopefully to be at speed through this gate. Long straight here, full speed through this gate. Around here, this is a blind turn here, I don't like it. And then the start finish gate again. So that's the course. Let's see if I can actually set a time. Here we go.
JB 61.19.
So I want to get speed on those straights without overshooting.
JB 30.65.
Okay, 30.65. This is like the worst place to be standing because I'm literally coming straight through the gate. I need to be close to the gate to be able to hear the lap RF and to be able to, because it's Bluetooth, it doesn't have great range. I'm really trying hard to be turning left instead of flying straight at myself.
JB 29.45.
29.4 again. That was good, tight right there. Really want to stay on the throttle there.
JB 27.66.
Oh, there it is, 27.66. Good. Whew, good lap, son. 27.6, okay. Yeah. I'm charging up these packs using this Rely On battery pack. This thing can charge like 40 of my batteries before it's dead. Got a 120 volt inverter, 1,000 watts, weighs about 30 pounds, but it's like $1,000. I didn't buy it. They just gave it to me and said, here, see what you think of this. I think I'm gonna do a roundup of all the different ways you might field charge, from the cheapest and the simplest to like something like this. So get subscribed and hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss that. I think this will be pretty cool. All right, so I'm hitting pretty consistent 29s, and then the best I've done is in like the low 27s. So I think what I need to do is try to get consistent 27s rather than push for like a 26. And I think the way to do that is going to be to pick up speed in the straights. Man, this thing will go as fast as I can take it.
JB 96.8.
So I need to be on the throttle there. And on the throttle there.
JB, 30.06.
Overshoot. Oh, I really thought I was gonna shit. That's a situation I end up in. I'm just going, I can go faster, but then I'm out of control and I crash. I mean, right? I don't know if that's just like a hard limit on how fast I'm capable of going. Surely not, right? Surely I'm capable of improving. See, I'm climbing there. That means I need more up tilt. I think if I were to increase up tilt, I'd be faster in the straight and I wouldn't climb, but I would have a lot more trouble with the other technical parts. So I think I'm gonna leave it for now, but if I keep hitting consistent 27s and then need to go faster, maybe I'll increase the up tilt. For now, it's definitely my skill that's keeping me at that threshold. So let's just try to improve that. This corner here could be much tighter.
JB, 128.24.
Yes, baby, that was clean as fuck.
JB,
25, and I'm hitting 27s. Pretty respectable. I was trying hard to break 29 yesterday.
JB, 124.78.
Sloppy as fuck, boy. Oh,
JB, 27.6.
sloppy. Oh,
JB,
jeez.
28.25. JB, 25.22. JB, 26.77.
Sloppy as fuck. That was a good turn.
29.93.
26. All right. That's it. We're gonna call that. That's it. That's a good day. Where'd my glasses go? I don't know where my glasses are. Thank you so much for watching. I love this quadcopter. I can't believe how good it flies. If you want to, I'm not saying that you have to build one if you want to race good. There's lots of good racing drones out there, but man, this is something special. It's making me look like a good pilot. So that says a lot. If you've seen me race before, you know how much better I am. And it ain't cause like, it's just this thing flies that freaking good. So I gotta build video in the video description if you want to build one. Yeah. Wow. All right. I gotta catch my breath. Whew. Happy flying. You guys, I don't know where I am, and I don't know what's gonna happen, but if I don't make it out of this, I just want to know that you subscribe to my channel, or maybe join my Patreon, or click one of these videos I picked out for you.